Hey guys, you're seeing right, but no, I'm not the sewer guy. So we're gonna take this drain pipe, we're gonna cut it into quarters, and we're gonna put it down in a trench next to some bricks and grow plants out of it. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get it cut down and get this project started. Hang with us. As always, guys, use what's available to you first without going out spending money. Being an old military vet, hey, I go from the known to the unknown. I know I can use these 2 chairs, these clamps, and my trusty dusty Milwaukee oscillating tool to cut this thing. So let's get started. Okay, we got it all clamped down from one chair to the other. And what we'll do is we'll just use this green line here for our first line of reference to get us a straight line. Let's see how this goes. Well, I'm getting there, guys. Halfway. I need 2 more cuts. It's tricky, but I gotta do it. Well, guys, there you have it. This portion of the project is completed. I'll hand it over to the finishing department, and looks like I'll be getting a big piece of chicken at the dinner table tonight. Hey! Well, it looks like the mission is completed. Ready for plants to be planted in the channel. For watching my videos, guys. As you can see, I will DIY anything from gardening to woodworking to working on cars, camping, cell phone, you name it. We'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We love you all. See you next time.